Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up personal finances with QuickBooks Online Export to Excel. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your financial overview. Select the report you wish to export. Click on the Reports tab from the left sidebar. Choose the desired report category, such as Profit and Loss or Balance Sheet. Once you find the report, click on its name to open. Customize the date range if necessary using the date picker at the top right. Review the report for any adjustments needed. After finalizing the report, look for the export icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing upward. Click on that export icon to reveal export options. Select Export to Excel from the drop-down menu. Your report will now be prepared for download. Wait for the file to download, which may take a few moments. Once the download completes, locate the Excel file in your Downloads folder. Open the Excel file to review your exported financial data. Make any additional changes or formatting tweaks in Excel as needed. Save the final version of your Excel file to your preferred location. Ensure to maintain regular backups of your personal finances. Repeat this process periodically to keep your records up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.